Good morning, we're at Sherwood Forest Farm Park in today. We're on Holmedale Lake, through peg 13, so 2 pegs away from where I won a peg feeding a couple of weeks ago. So similar conditions, it's quite mild, there's not a lot of fish moving. The fish seem to be down in the other end of the lake at the moment. So I've set up the same pace lines, 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. A couple of pellet lines a bit further out, on 11 metres. And then I've got a feeder line to the island, so hopefully we'll catch some fish. Not bad for under the brolly.
I'll give you that, that's not bad.
Proper fight, isn't it? Right, so it's 10 past 11 and that was my second fish. I had one fish on the tip and then that's my first fish on paste. It's very quiet again. It's ominous for another tough match on here at the moment. Probably had half an hour on the tip, 5 or 6 casts, and nothing. Right, so we're 3 hours in, we've just gone 1 o'clock. Still only got the 2 fish, lost 2. One snagged me around something near one of those, near the island, don't know what it was. Didn't go around the island, it was snagged on something short of the island. I've had bites on the pace and pellet lines, but really just drags like liners really, not proper bites. And it's just the odd fish being caught. Most people's got 1, 2, 3 fish. And then Sean on peg 15, he's had 6 or 7 small carp. I think Skelly's had a couple. Dave Linden's not had a fish yet, to my right. And I think Roger Summerscales on peg 19, he's caught a few. Apart from that, it's been a right grueler. It's a struggle. Just cold, but a bit of rain. But the fish have just switched off. They're just not in the mood at all at the moment. It can only get better. Let's hope so.
so I'm queuing up then.
Right, so we're 4 hours in. No more fish, still got just the 2. So I'm trying a bit of popped up bread at the moment to see if I can pick the odd fish off. Virtually nothing's been caught on the rest of the lake. Apart from pegs 39 and 41, hot pegs, they've caught a few fish. But really, really struggling at the moment. And the weather's got worse as well. So 2 hours left. Not looking good. Can't get anything on the feeder line since I lost those 2 fish. Try paste again. Hope we're going to wake up. I've had one fish in 3 hours.
I'm hoping to make it 11 in a minute, Kev. It certainly ain't going round though, it's not, it ain't gonna happen. Fucking bite every half hour, isn't it?
Is it? Bite every half hour day.
In a good peg. Ghosty. It's a nice fish. It's a big fish, you know. Big ghosty. It's a good fish. Crazy mirror. These long fish is what it fought so hard. Nice fish. Car's got a beast on. In the. It's a proper fish, Ian.
Another one, Mr. Brown.
Beautiful. He's not coming in easy, is he? Ian's got him on. They've all started to feed, look. We said they would, didn't we? I was optimistic trying to get him then. Got it. He lost one. It took till 3:15 before they started feeding, but we're all catching now. It's a good fish. Last 4 minutes. That's it, that's the lot. Ended up with 7 carp, but we didn't start feeding until 3:15. So 45 minutes of fish feeding, the rest of it is just a real battle. So we'll get packed away and we'll see who won.
Peg number 4, Scott Dibble. I ain't got to say that on every peg, have I?
No, you're not be on every peg.
Scott Dibble. That's a good bag of fish, mate.
Oh, there's 45 pound. We all do tell larger 50 pound in there. Oh, easy 50. Yellow lane, get you all.
No. How close?
Yeah, whoa, wasn't it? What you been up to, 60? Yeah. Hold on, Scott.
I don't know, Dave, I might press down for you a bit.
Yeah. I need all the help I can get, Scott. Yeah.
Bang on at that. We're in frame.
On it, strawberry jam, sponge cake. Treated him right, mate. He's a right lad, him.
You hold that ghosty up?
Oh, bless you, yeah. No problem there.
Got the top shelf for that.
Beans all there. Nice, that's a nice fish, mate. Couldn't play. Well, this time. Good cheese and beetroot. Told you.
I'm a fish light from that day.
What's your plan, Terry?
You know what they're doing? 44. 40 pound 4. 44. 40. It slips there.
Good fish there.
There's 40 there.
There's 35 there. 36, sorry. Couldn't I look there?
Close, isn't it?
God, we won it. You got it? Hurry up. Have they got teeth instead of a beak?
I tell you what, it's as placid as though it's like that. The feet as big as my hands.
Did it feed off the tip? No, it gets fed.
What did you wake up?
Hello again, so we've got the results for yesterday's match at Holmedale Lake, which is another tough match. Another one, poor weather and a bit cold and damp and occasional heavy showers. But we'll start off with the section winners. And we've got Sean Green with £42 8 ounce from peg 15. Billy matching in with £42 8 ounce from peg 24. Steve Arapsky with £31 6 ounce from peg 39. And Tony Smith with £26 5 ounce from peg 51. So on to the top 3, we've got the ever consistent Dave Sewell, who knows how to draw. He's drawn well this year, but he's also catching plenty of fish. He drew peg 32 and weighed in £55 2 ounce. I think he had about £30 in the first hour. There were a lot of the fish to the right, and you could see that in the corner when we were setting up in the morning. So in second place then we had Scott Dibble with £57 2 ounce for peg 4. I think he fed quite heavily with maggot and pellet to the platform on his right, to platform number 3. But he caught some nice quality fish there, and you can see that on the footage. And then winner with his 3rd win of the season, Roger Summerscales with £59 5 ounce from peg 19. So well done, Roger, for his 3rd win. So the top 3 only had £4 between them. So one fish, and it was that tight at the top. So it was a really good tight match. But really didn't come alive till 3:15. I struggled for bites. I ended up at 10th place in the middle of the pack with £28 14. I caught most of them in the last hour and a bit. So it was a real struggle yesterday. Fish again just repeating, just mooching around a little bit and not feeding for most of the day and then coming on. Should we look at fishing these matches from 12 till 6? possibly, but it doesn't suit everybody's lifestyle, so I'm not sure we're going to do that. So it was a tough match. It was enjoyable. We caught exactly £600 of fish yesterday between 21 anglers at an average of £28.5 each. So the averages are quite down. I mean, we normally you'd be doubling that on good days at Holmedale. But certainly at the moment the venue's a little bit moody. Weather's up and down. There are long periods of frost. Are they thinking about spawning as soon as the weather gets a little bit warmer as well? So I hope you enjoyed the video again. It was good fun making it. I said there was lots of banter on the bank yesterday, which I probably can't include in the clips, but it was good fun anyway. But yeah, please click the like and subscribe and share the videos around. But thank you very much. Bye for now. Crazy mirror. These long fish, that's what it fought so hard.
You got it? Hurry up.
All Scott.
Jeez, the beetroot. He's gone queuing up there.